Hey everyone, Jarrad VK3BL here, and today we're just going to do a quick little unboxing of the Yaesu G-800DXA Alpha antenna rotator. It's a medium duty antenna rotator, and we're going to use it for doing just a few little things around the shack. We're going to try maybe a receive only antenna with the IC7610. We might try some 2 meter SSB antennas, some little beams and that, just have a bit of fun basically. We don't have a big tower up at this shack, so we can't spin a 20 meter monobander, but we thought it would be nice to have in the shack to, use for experiments. Now, unfortunately, I've got a bit of a sore tooth today, so I've got at least one little helper, my harmonic Riley, and I think his little brother Hudson, my second harmonic, I guess, might join in as well. So stay tuned, and we'll go through what's in the box of the Yaesu G-800 Delta X-ray Alpha, or G-800DXA antenna rotator. Okay, so we've got my first harmonic here, Riley. He's almost 6 years old, and my second harmonic here, Hudson.
Whoa.
And he's 4 years old. That's right, Riley, just recently 4. And they're going to help me go through the Yaesu G-800DXA antenna rotator. So let's see what's in the box, boys. So be gentle. What's that? You pass that to Daddy? Make sure the camera can see. That's just a bit of packing cardboard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put that there. What's that, Huddy? No, gentle boys. What's this? The instructions. Well, hold on. We've got to show the camera. So there are our instructions and our warranty card. Now be gentle. What else have we got? We'll bring it over here and Daddy will have a look. Come on. Don't block the camera, boys.
The big box.
You go on the other side, Huddy. Go on. What's in the big box? We can see a cord, can't we?
Yeah.
Does it come out?
Daddy.
Oh, what's this? What's this? Hold on.
We need help.
Remember, we've got to Huddy, go back. We've got to let the camera see. No, you're in front of the camera, mate. Riley, you can come over here. Let's have a look. Oh, there's a box. Wonder what that is. We'll put that over here for now. Is there something else in there?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you reckon it is? Do we... Oh! Boys, remember, you got to let the camera see. The people watching want to see too. Let's take this out first. Now pass that to Huddy. And Huddy, can you put that over there, please? Now, what have we got? Hold on. We'll show the people inside the box. What have we got in there, boys?
I like the little. What is it? A violet geo.
Oh, remember, we've got to show the camera. We've got a metal thing and another box. Do you reckon you can get that little box out? Or is it a bit tight?
Diddy tight.
Let's see if Daddy can get it out. Oh, what's that?
I want to pick it up.
Stay on the side, Huddy. Stay next to Daddy. Same with you.
Whoa.
I think this is mounts. This helps. This is some metal mounts to help whatever this is do its job. So we'll put that box here too for the moment. And what have we got left? Oh, gentle, what's that?
Big metal thing.
A big metal thing.
And
Is there anything else left?
Yeah.
No? Okay. Let go. Let go, boys. You don't need to take that out. Leave that there, please. That's just packaging. Okay, so let's show the camera. There's nothing else left in the box. So what have we got here, boys? I'll tell you. This is an antenna rotator. And what this does is it spins a big antenna around. You know, like the ones on the roof for the TV, but much bigger? Yeah, that's what that does. That goes on the tower. You remember that tower that Daddy has in the garage that we haven't put up? You remember the tower?
No.
Oh, well, Daddy's got a tower. So we'll leave that there for the moment. Sorry? Oh, you're showing the camera? Yeah, so it's not very heavy, obviously, guys. An almost 6-year-old can lift it with ease. What about you? You want to show the camera? A 4-year-old can lift it with ease as well. So we'll put that down for the moment.
This is
Let's put that up here. We're putting on, that's right, we're putting on YouTube. So let's have a look in here. The Hudson channel. Okay, so if we pull this out, hold on. In here we've got all the bolts and we've got the connectors needed and we've got the 2 clamps which clamp onto the top of the rotator so that it can work. So we'll put them, no, oh, you want to show? Show them the front of it. No, this bit. Show them this bit. Go on, hold that up. See all the bolts? Yeah, now the other people can see too. You want to hold it up too? Yeah, we'll open that box in a second. Thank you, Hudson. All right, let's put it back. There's nothing else in there, so we'll just slide this back. We don't need that part just yet. We're not done yet. We've got one more box to open. Let's leave that there. Let's have a look in this box, boys. No. Please leave that, Riley. Please leave that shut. We don't need that. So you come over here, Huddy. And Riley, you stay there. Here's, remember to let the camera see. Can you open it? Be gentle. Remember with ham radio stuff, it's always important to keep the packaging. Now, Jay, you'll hold it and you lift it out. Lift it from both sides. Be very gentle. What have you got in there?
Ooh, packaging.
Hold on. What's this? Hold on, careful. We've got something here. Oh, camera can't see. We've got some templates here that show north, south, east and west. So we'll just carefully take that off.
Yeah, we do.
And can you show the viewers, Riley, that there's some templates for the screen? Just hold it a little bit closer. Yep, that's close enough. Take it away. Right, and we need to keep them. They're important. So you want to do it as well? Okay, there we go. You show them, Hudson. Okay, that's a good view. I think everyone's seen. Everyone's channel. Okay, so let's take this out of the bag. What is this?
A clock.
Oh, remember the camera needs to see. So over here, Huddy. No.
This is the clock.
It's a clock. It looks like a clock, doesn't it? But it's got a power cord.
Yeah.
And it's got some knobs. And a little clock face. This is what's called an antenna rotator. And what it does is using this this needle here, you can find out which direction your antenna is pointing in. And these buttons let you move it. So do you want to show it to the camera? Oh, careful. Hold it still. A little bit closer. There we go. What do you think? Oh. So you say goodbye to everyone?
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching our unboxing video. I hope you found it interesting. And I'll try and see if I can figure out how to rebox it. 73 from Jarrad, VK3BL of Rate My Radio, and Riley, yet to get a call sign, but you'll be a foundation call soon, won't you, Riley? In a couple of hours. All right. See you, buddy. Thanks, guys.